Now see, here we will study about prions. Now what are prions? Prions are slow viruses. They are abnormally folded proteinaceous infectious particles. They are discovered by Priestner, who awarded Nobel Prize for the role of prions in two diseases, Alzheimer's disease and mad cow disease. Now if we talk about the cell, they are not having cell and they reproduce by pre-existing prions. Disease which have been caused by the prions are example Scapegoat and Creutzfeldt-Jakob syndrome, that is in human. So this first one, scrapie, that is caused in goat as well as in sheep, and the second one in human. Now come to our next topic that is called viroids. Viroids were discovered by T.O. Diener in 1971. These are smaller than viruses. They are single-stranded RNA and having no protein coat. They cause potato spindle tuber disease, or we can say PST viroid. This is all about the viroids. Now come to lichens. Lichens are dual organisms, or we can say that mutual association. So when we are talking about the lichens, we should know about the symbiotic association. So when we are talking about the symbiotic association, that is the association of algae and fungi. Algae is providing food and fungi is providing shelter. So in this case we are saying algae is called phycobiont and fungi is called mycobiont, and phycobiont is divided as chlorophyceae and cyanobacteria. In mycobiont we have already studied actually in fungi Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. So we can say that lichens are pollution indicators, and if there is more SO2 and CO2 in the atmosphere, lichens cannot grow in that area. Lichens can grow in non-polluted areas. They are pioneers in succession. Lichens are commonly found in humid conditions, mostly found in non-polluted areas. Now one more fungal association with the plants we will study, and that is mycorrhiza, that is fungal roots we can say. It's a symbiotic association between some fungi with roots of higher plants, example pinus and other gymnosperms, because these plants do not have root hair and root cap. So mycorrhiza is present, and that fungi is responsible for the absorption of water and minerals from the soil, and it is scattered throughout the roots. That's all for this video. Next video I will put in my description box.